Grammy-winning reggae royalty Damian Marley has once again joined forces with lyrical deity Kabaka Pyramid for a mission-worthy collab, Red, Gold and Green. The track released over the weekend is an ode to the colors of Rastafari tradition and reggae music. Now, according to the media release, the two united their musical synergy to highlight the significance of the colors to Rastafari tradition and reggae music, adding that while Kabaka talks about the musical aspect and the significance of maintaining the tradition despite changing times, Damon complements it with an equally lyrically potent verse.
Man a genie like Aladdin, and for water down the message just be streaming. I'm not having people in a foreign say them not get no good music, so me go on in at the booth and then record like man a Cupid hit the target. When we shoot it, it no hard to execute this lyrics. God, me don't tell it for watch me prove it. Red, gold and green, red, gold and green. Wave the banner from you know your soul clean.
Speaking with E-Prime, Kabaka shares on the symbolism of the track.
The message is very powerful because we as Rastafari artists, sometimes people see the branding, them see the colors, them see the locks, them see all of these things, but them don't really know. Say it's something important to us that we are represent like the root of Rastafari and His Majesty and Ethiopia. And that's what these colors actually represent. People just see it and feel like it's even Jamaica's colors are, you know, it's just the colors of reggae music, but it's deeper than that, and that's what I wanted to show.
Red, Gold and Green is the first release of Kabaka Pyramid's upcoming sophomore album. Derek Morgan and Sanchez for this year's Jamaica Music Icon Award. Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, the Honorable Olivia Grange, in a release announced that Jamaican music stalwarts Derek Morgan and Kevin Sanchez Jackson will be honored at the Grand Gala on Independence Day. The two will be honored for their sterling contribution to the popularity of Jamaican music on the world stage. Derek is one of the elite group of artists who has dominated from the eras of ska and rocksteady and continues to make an impact to this day. Sanchez has remained on top of his game internationally and has excelled in both the secular and gospel arenas. Now, still on Jamaica 60, the 2022 Jamaica Festival Song Album is now live on global music streaming services across the world, including Apple Music, Amazon Music, Deezer, Spotify, Tidal, and Pandora. The album, titled Jamaica Festival 2022 Song Competition, features the 10 finalists in this year's competition. This is the third consecutive year that finalists in the Jamaica Festival Song Competition have been released on global streaming platforms. The Jamaica Festival Song Competition is currently on its way, with the finale set for July 28. The global celebration of Jamaica 60, the Diamond Jubilee, is under the theme Reigniting a Nation for Greatness. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E-Prime.